Guys, do you really want to see what's going on right now? I don't know. I don't know if you guys can handle it. Nani, what? It's Spooter Man. I honestly have to like look close to read chat right now. Hold on. Why do I have this? Oh, because I was Miles Morales as Halloween one year. Wait, you guys want to see the full costume? I can't fucking read. No, I refuse. I have to look at an angle to fucking read what the fuck. Yeah, guys, I can't reveal my. Okay, reason why I'm leaning like this is because I can only see, like, if I'm looking at the part where I can see, it's this part right here. So I have to read like this, guys, like this, guys, like this is. Do you know how frustrating it is? Ow, my neck! Take it off, COVID ain't in the crib, bro. You know what, guys? I ain't gonna take it off just yet. We're gonna look for Catwoman costume for men. Oh my god, this one's 113 bucks? The fuck? There's none for men? Dude, sexist. Honey, where's my super suit? Where is my super suit? Stop. Okay, alright. I might have to get this. What do you guys think? Chat, what do you guys think? Nathan, can I get a homie? Okay, oh, wait. Wait. Babe, I'm gonna do it. You gonna do it with me?
No, I'm not doing it.
Alright, ready guys? Ready? How was that? My lecturer said that was good. Yes! I'm totally gonna delete this vlog. Alright, ready? I'm about to fling in there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, dude. I don't know how superheroes do this because I have the biggest wedgie in my fucking life. I didn't catch my breath. God, I'm out of shape. That's why I'm wearing this jacket, right? Because I have like this fupa here that I can't let y'all see. Dude, fucking this costume, I'm telling you right now. Okay, so not only am I wearing boxer briefs, not only is this shit riding up my ass right now, but I got like these shorts. Obviously, it's not even like the most like flexible shorts, you know? Because I gotta accentuate the costume, you know? It's like really riding up there. Okay, let me move this out. I got something very special for you guys today. A dear friend of mine, Mr. Koha here, sent me a sample of his PBT Space Camps. I think it's very fitting. I think it's very fitting right now that I'm in a Miles Morales costume, wearing a Bape hoodie for this Tom Sachs inspired Keycap set. He sent me the samples and a couple other goodies for you guys. He sent me these stickers as part of. I can't flip through this shit. Yo, Pass, what the fuck? Why are you gonna make me do 10 push-ups? Well, now I gotta change the hoodie. Now I gotta get out. I can't sweat in this. Oh yeah, okay. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Let me hide the fupa. Here we go. Oh shit, I can't even see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm totally okay. I got my water. Oh, Doc, how's it going, dude? Hold on, let me take a sip of water real quick.
Great. Wait, how do you drink? Are you drinking through? Is the water getting filtered through the fabric?
Oh no, actually. Oh yeah, it is.
Oh my god.
Yeah, look. Oh yeah, that was good. See, I got the extra filter through my mask, so it's extra crisp. You know what I mean? All right. Now we're actually gonna do what I actually wanted to do today. Dude, it's an hour 40 minutes in. I didn't even start the stream yet. All right, so if you guys haven't seen PBT Space Camp, my good friend Koha designed the sets and got the samples and sent over to me, and I wanted to show it with you guys because I think it's a really cool, really sick ass set. So along with that, he gave me like all these like cool stickers to go along with it. So each of the sticker pack is gonna have two of these long stickers. And then Space Camp Mars. Yeah, these are actually really cool stickers. I actually really like this one too. Catch stickers. And dude, the one with the switch, I like how it's like a almost like you're drawing, right? Like you're sketching out. Dude, this is super sick. So this desk mat has a ruler that's fit to scale. So if you look over here, this is actually to scale, like on the bottom of this. So you could take whatever you want. Like I could take my Unikorn and literally just measure out from here. See, look how sick that is, dude. You can't tell me that's not sick. Yep, we love function. Specialized designers, you know, designers like love function like this. So that's super dope. I love how like he thought this all out, you know, when it comes to like the desk mat. And this is like kind of like my aesthetic. So we can measure anything. I mean, I could literally lay down my arm like this and measure my arm. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Let me take these botanicals off real quick. So then that way we can put Space Camp on here. All right, tab. Tab is here. Oh, dude, this one is sick. Dude, that one is sick. What is this? This is a Windows key? Yo, this Windows key is sick. But we're showing PBT Space Camp. This is a sample that Koha sent over to me. And I am so happy to be the first person that he sent this to. So we get this a test run and see how it is. So far, I really do like the quality of this set. I like quality that the sample. And I, for one, am gonna get a bunch of these. Who's demanding for the set? Yo, I wish Koha was here. Actually, let me see.
I'm actually trying to find where
it's Infinity.
they make this, but it's the Infinity.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, keep watching Nathan put these keys together. These are amazing. I had the set for about a week, and I had an amazing time. I have took some good photos, all that. Yeah. So please consider. It will be not expensive. It will not take as long as GMK's, and it's an amazing set. Oh, and you have to get the novelties. The novelties are the shit.
Dude, the novelties are the shit. Dude, look at this.
Check out the space bar.
Dude, look at how cute the space bar is. The astronaut, man. Look at the fucking astronaut, dude. Look at the fucking astronaut. Yo, this thing is
drunk. It's space bar, get it?
Oh,
that's why
God.
you have to get this shit. You have to get the novelties. If you don't get novelties, don't like why?
Yeah.
Why live?
What? Why? Exactly, dude. Yeah, you tell him. What the fuck is?
You get that shit. You get that shit. Base kit plus novelties all day.
All day. You have to get.
And if you're weird and you got the 40s and you need some extra space bar because you got some fancy keyboard like Alice, all that shit, yeah, you get that too. But base kit plus novelties, for sure.
For sure. Oh yeah, look at this. Yeah, see the 40s kit, dude. Very nice, eh? Yeah, very nice, eh?
Don't forget about the desk mat.
These desk mats are clean. This is the one that I'm using right now, guys. This is the one I'm currently using right now. The red one goes hard. Honestly, this one's hella clean, dude. My computer will load it. Come on, computer. Come on, I believe in you. Oh, dude, this one's so clean.
It just well done together. I remember talking to Koha when he was starting to design this set. He needed some inspiration and things like that. So I actually went to Houston, NASA in Houston, a few years back. Took many photos, so I sent him some of those photos to get inspired. Here we are.
Wait, you went to NASA to shoot photos for him?
No. I visited. I did a tour there like a few years back.
Yeah.
So I had to dig up those photos for him to look at all the old control panels. What is that? What do you call those? Mission control, old computer panels and things like that.
Oh, I was gonna say, dude. I was like, damn, you went all the way over to NASA to help him out, dude. That's dedication, man. That is some dedication.
Very well thought out. Obviously, if you know, this is the same person who is behind the infamous GMK Incognito.
Okay, alrighty. I think I need to go to the box, and get me the rest of the keycaps. Or
do the numbers.
Wait, do the numbers.
Do the numbers. The circle with the dots are numbers.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
No, but you gotta count the dots. It's one.
Oh
2,
my
3, 4.
god, yeah. That's so cool. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. This is 3.
And then right now, because it's a proto, I believe there's 2 8s instead of 7 8.
Okay, all right, guys. If you guys don't know what we're talking about, let me get a closer look. So you see the dots on here? It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots.
Yeah, if you paid attention in your chemistry class, you'll see why there's 2 in the first ring and 6 on the next ring. Exactly, Pantoso. Exactly.
Very clever, dude. Very clever.
Very well thought out. Very well thought out.
All right, bear with me,
Again,
guys.
folks, this is only because this is a prototype. On the regular novelty set, you will get all the right numbers.
Dang, this is a good-looking set. And this
Yes, sir.
this quality is pretty good for Infinikeys. I was actually like, damn. This is not what my PBT Islander or Aaron's PBT Islander feels like. All right, hold on. Let me grab the rest of the kit for the space bar and the pipe key. BRB. Yeah, let's finish it, dude.
Man, that looks good.
Damn, this looks. Fuck, this looks real good. Oh, we gotta do a front cam. All right, let's take a look. I'm gonna remove the chat box so y'all can see a better pic.
Damn.
Damn.
All right. It looks pretty good.
Man, it would be sick if you had the shoes.
Fuck,
The
I
Nike,
know.
Mars Yard.
I'm gonna take pictures of this, like with the right pipe key, and then, you know, I think more the merrier, right? So, dude, this is
Looks hot.
dude, it looks fucking hot. Look at the rest of the desk mat. With the desk mat, let me pull this up.
Perfect.
I'm super glad to have the sample in hand, to check it out and stuff, because I love Tom Sachs. You know, I love the Mars Yard. And I want to get the set myself. I told Koha, I was like, dude, I'm buying 5 sets. I don't care. I'm buying 5.
Get it.
Frank's laughing because he knows I am going to buy 5. Yeah.
But yeah, Koha and his friend Zoruj. Zoruj actually lead on the designs for all the novelties. So if you check out the Keycap thread, if you have any questions about the inspirations or whatever, they're all usually there to answer the questions. Go follow them on the Instagram. They have their own Discord if you want updates. Yeah, check them out.
Should we do a sound test with the Unikorn?
Do it.
Do it. All right, guys. This is PBT Space Camp on Unikorn, TGR Singa Unikorn, round 2.1. Switches are retool blacks with Kailh stems, 63.5 slow, and with Deskey films, Lube 205. Fuck, that was slow, dude. Ran, I missed it. No, this is a sample. This is a sample that Koha sent. And we're taking a look at the kit right now. So I have this on. So we have the dust mat. And then I have this on my my Unikorn. So, and it sounds amazing. It sounds so good too. This thing is gorgeous, dude. Yeah, this thing is super nice. I like this. I like this keycap set. I think Koha did an amazing job on it. You know, I love Tom Sachs. I love Space Camp. You know, I love Mars Yard and everything. So I've always wanted that pair of shoe, and this just really hit it for me. You know, I think he did a really good job drawing inspirations from Mars Yard and everything. You know, and put on a keycap set to make it really tasteful. Peace out, trainers.
Bye bye, everybody.